guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got to get out of Alice. We've just got to get out of Alice. We're just going stir crazy. We've been waiting on parts for the trailer. In previous video we said now it's broken down and we're getting some parts sent up from Melbourne. Centurion, one of the transport companies, spent an entire week and a little bit more and hadn't even picked the damn thing up. So we contacted Northline, bang, it was picked up the very next morning. So it's in transit, but in transit means it'll be here next week. So that's it, enough is enough. We're out of here. We're packing the trailer up and we're heading out to Finke Gorge, Finke River, Palm Valley, all around there. So we'll have a bit of a look around. We might head out through Glen Helen Way. The water and the view up there is just spectacular. So come along for the ride. We're going to ditch the trailer, park it up, and just take the truck. So come along for the ride, guys. Cheers. We're sitting here by the banks of the Finke River at present. I'd love to have a fire going and have a fireside chat. It's so bloody dry, we're just simply not game. Last night we were further up the Finke River. We're on the Finke River right now. We're further up the Finke, and at about 3 o'clock I was looking at the little weather station that we've got in the truck, and it was 26 degrees. Relative humidity was 1%. I've never seen anything like that. So it's bloody dry, and I'm not game enough to have a fire going, even though it's only grass, it's what's down the track. We've earlier on been up to Hermannsburg mission, called it Hermannsburg after a mission in Germany, a Lutheran mission in Germany. Now these poor buggers, they travelled from Adelaide to Alice Springs, and then from Alice Springs out here to Hermannsburg, which is around about 150 kilometres from Alice. It was a 20-month journey. We found it easy. We've got a beautiful truck to travel in, and we're going to follow the Finke River. We'll keep that going as far as we can. The Finke River is supposed to be the oldest river in the world. Somewhere between 100 million years and 300 million years. You do the research. That's the best that I can find at this stage. So we're going to follow this down for a good distance. We'll go around to Palm Valley, and that's an interesting spot. So come along for the ride. This is a journey worth exploring. The palm trees down there, 200-300 years old, cabbage palms. I'd like to know where they came from. So hang about, we'll take you for a ride down the Finke River and into Palm Valley.
Is this bad?
Oh, it's just soft sand and the tyre pressures are up too high. I'm not overly concerned.
Keep going. What did you put the tire pressures down to?
When we drove in, we had it about 65, and that was to just dampen out the corrugations. But in the soft sand, I dropped them down to 30 pound. So big difference in 30 pound to 60 pound. So might sound like a lot compared to a Land Cruiser, but when you normally run a 90 to 100 pound, 30 pounds is a hell of a drop. It was very soft sand. Poor buggers down here are just bogged to the axles. The soft sand here on the Finke catches so many people. Rocky, gnarly little spot. It'll have us bumping and grinding over the top. There's two choices, but I don't know which one is better. Lock it into manual. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I nearly let the revs drop down too much then. I got down to 400 RPM. It's probably not a good place to be. We've just shot a uni, the rear uni on the front shaft. It's right at the exhaust pipe. I'm surmising, I'm thinking that the seals on the universal joint have been absolutely cooked by the exhaust, and dirt and sand and grit's gotten in there. Well now it's buggered the uni. So I've just pulled the shaft out. I've got to work out where I'm going to put the bloody thing now. One, it's heavy, and two, it's long. So I've got to try and work out what to do with it now.
Anh mẹ ông ta đi lạnh lắm, ba con
you need a hand lifting that up?
I'm not sure that.
Stick around to find out what went wrong and how it could change our travel plans. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.